Friends, check out OPPO's clip-on earbuds. This generation connects to both OPPO and iPhone. It even has pop-ups, Dynaudio tuning, and so much more. So let's start by unboxing them. This is the brand new OPPO Enco Clip2, the high-res gold label. Oh wow, this is the space gray colorway. It's matte with a frosted texture. This is great. It doesn't show fingerprints. And there's an OPPO logo on top. On the back, there's a glossy Dynaudio logo. The earbuds themselves have the same matte finish as the case. I think that's a very smart design choice. It has a clear benefit, especially if you have oily ears like me. Sweat won't stick to them, so the earbuds will look brand new, even after you've worn them for a long time. Also, each earbud weighs only 5.2 grams. For clip-on earbuds, that's incredibly lightweight. The natural advantage of clip-ons is that they're very comfortable for long-term wear. The lightweight of the earbuds makes that advantage even more apparent. And don't you think these look like jewelry as much as earbuds? If you don't believe me, just look at these shots. I think they look really good. As for functionality, let's look at the iPhone's main screen first. Notice this. The OPPO Enco Clip2 shows it's connected to my Find X9 Pro. It's also connected to my iPhone, supporting dual device connection. If you scroll down, you'll see the master tuning option. Right, we all know the main drawback of clip-on earbuds is sound quality. But with these, you get Dynaudio co-tuning, dual DACs, and dual drivers. They're high-res certified and support LHDC 5.0. There are 4 sound profiles for you to choose from. Even on an iPhone, they support OPPO spatial audio. I want to describe the sound quality of these earbuds. With old semi-in-ear or in-ear buds, it felt like the music was trapped inside my head. But with these clip-ons, it feels like there are 2 speakers playing music around me. It's being projected toward me, and people around me can't hear it. At 50% volume, someone sitting across from me won't notice. What's even cooler is the sound space feature. What does that mean? These earbuds can play white noise. It's perfect for when you're lying down to meditate or sleep, right? Of course, they've included drop detection and game mode in the Enco Clip 2. Even crazier, they added quick voice commands. Next song. Previous song. Pause playback. Play music. The mic was right here while I wore them. You couldn't hear a thing, right? Also, on OPPO phones, there's a highly acclaimed feature. It's the variety of personalized pop-up animations. This time, it's not just for OPPO. You get personalized themes on iPhone too. By now, I'm sure you're familiar with the features and design. Many of you might wonder how OPPO made such great clip-on earbuds. It's simple. They put a 6nm flagship chip in a clip-on. That's insane. Some of you might not realize how significant that chip process is, guys. You know the H2 chip in the AirPods Max 2, right? That chip is 7nm. Do you know what that means? In terms of manufacturing, OPPO is now competing directly with Apple's flagships. This provides a solid foundation for complex audio algorithms, lower power consumption, and a smoother user experience. At the same time, with joint tuning by Dynaudio's chief tuner and flagship specs like dual DACs and dual drivers, the experience offered by this generation of clip-on earbuds, I believe, is definitely of 1000 yuan quality without any doubt. Bye-bye.